Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to open App Store, click on the search bar and type in Gboard. Then get this free app from Google Developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now you need to click on Get Started twice and select Keyboard section at the bottom. In order to use Gboard, you need to click on this gray sweater next to it, and then also on this one next to Allow Full Access. Now click on Allow in the pop-up, and when you're ready, go back to Gboard app. If you can see Gboard over here, you need to click on this globe icon at the bottom left corner and select it from the list. Then select Got It. Now you need to click on Themes, click on Show All and tap on the best one for you. I will go with maybe that one. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it has changed. But you can always go back into exactly the same settings, select top left corner over here and tap on this plus icon under Custom instead. Then click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, in my case this one. From here you can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose at the bottom right corner and adjust all of those theme settings however you want to. For example, change background darkness by swiping left or right. Now you can manage key borders by clicking on all of those sweaters, and even change color of them by clicking on the best options for you. I will go with green background and maybe white text color. Then you need to scroll down, pick color of key pop-ups. I will go with green as well, and maybe black. So now when I type, I can see them. And lastly, click on this sweater next to swipe trace sparkles to enable or disable this feature. You can also adjust it and even pick swipe tray color. When you're done with your keyboard, select Done at the top right corner, and now when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!